Physical versus virtual servers. Key differences. When building IT infrastructure, one of the fundamental choices organizations must make is between physical servers and virtual servers. Both serve the same core function, providing resources like processing power, storage, and networking, but they operate differently and suit different needs. This article explores the key differences between physical and virtual servers to help you decide which is right for your environment. Small blue diamond, what is a physical server? A physical server is a dedicated hardware machine that runs a single operating system and hosts applications or services directly on its physical components. It consists of physical CPUs, RAM, storage drives, power supply, and network interfaces. Use cases: high-performance computing, applications needing dedicated resources, e.g., large databases, legacy software requiring specific hardware. Small blue diamond, what is a virtual server? A virtual server, also known as a virtual machine VM, is a software-defined server that runs on a physical host machine using virtualization software, like VMware, Hyper-V, or KVM. Multiple virtual servers can operate on a single physical server. Use cases: cloud computing, testing environments, scalable web hosting, cost-effective small business solutions. Balance scale, key differences. 1. Hardware dependency. Physical server, directly tied to its hardware. Performance is as strong as the physical components. Virtual server, runs on shared hardware using a hypervisor, may share resources with other VMs. 2. Resource utilization. Physical server, often underutilized as resources are reserved for a single workload. Virtual server, efficient resource use through consolidation. Multiple VMs share CPU, RAM, etc. 3. Scalability. Physical server, scaling requires buying and setting up new hardware. Virtual server, easily scalable by adding or cloning virtual machines. 4. Cost. Physical server, higher upfront cost for hardware, power, and space. Virtual server, lower cost due to reduced hardware needs. Better ROI for startups and SMBs. 5. Deployment time. Physical server, takes time to order, install, and configure. Virtual server, can be created and deployed within minutes. 6. Flexibility. Physical server, limited to one operating system or service per device. Virtual server, can host multiple operating systems and services on one physical machine. 7. Maintenance. Physical server, requires manual upkeep, hardware replacement, OS updates, etc. Virtual server, easier to backup, replicate, and restore. Snapshots simplify recovery.